G'day, it's Rob Mail from Madison AV at Integrate 2025. I just want to give you a quick tour around our stand, which is phenomenally busy, even for a Friday. One of the areas that we're getting huge amounts of interest is Auracast and our Bettier products. Auracast is an emerging technology that provides for high quality audio streaming for assistive listening, but also for other environments like performances, live venues, pubs and clubs, gymnasiums, even teacher speech reinforcement in the background. It's straightforward. You've got a transmitter. You've got a receiver where you can choose which stream you want to connect to, connect your headphones or maybe a neck loop so that people with an existing telecoil can also get the stream. And if you want to be in a secure environment, we also have the ability to transfer a passcode via anything like you just have that tapping on the screen. You're going to see a lot more about Auracast as people's personal devices come out, headphones and over-the-ear headphone devices that will have Auracast already built in, and they'll be able to take advantage of this technology. Come this way, let's show you some more of this. You see our beautiful video wall here. This is showcasing the Philips Q series panels. They're an 18 by 7 400 nit panel, and they're running a Spinetics software application, Spinetics Elementi software, which is their design tool that allows us to format content across any type of resolution, any display. It's a HDMI synchronized output layer. Gives us 4K resolution across all of our outputs, as you see. Stunning result. And we have a range of solutions from Roadworks, which is a sound masking solution to minimize sound leakage into other areas of open plan offices. We mentioned Spinetics, and we have our players here, as well as Icron, which is a robust USB extension tool. Nowadays we can do USB-C over 100 meters, as well as the traditional USB 2. We have multi-port outputs, we have single-port outputs, we can do fiber, we can do it over LAN, and we can do it over CAT cable. So really excellent solution there. Behind you, you've got the new range of PTZ Optics cameras. Now, PTZ Optics are a very well-known brand in the industry. Extremely reliable. They give a 5-year warranty to every one of their products. The range is comprehensive. There's a 4K option with 12, 20 and 30 times zoom. They have all of the outputs that you could possibly imagine. USB, HDMI, SDI, NDI, all included, no additional cost, no extra licenses. You can go from a standard 4K with NDI to a Dante output camera, if that's the network that you're running. We have a brand new fixed camera. So for environments where you don't need the pan or the tilt, perhaps it's a monitoring and manufacturing line, maybe it's a security application, maybe it's for people that are web streaming events like funerals, weddings, or other live event services. There is a 1080p and a 4K version of that camera. We have a lecture education-based camera that's ideal for tracking presenters, for setting zones where the camera will fix its frame on you on a lectern or a whiteboard, and for blocking out areas that you don't want to be tracked as well. And then we have our 1080p version for those people that don't need to go to 4K, but they still want the variety of all of the outputs. Let me show you one more thing on our wall here. A fantastic Nariva audio conferencing bar. Nariva have addressed the challenges of meeting microphone pickup for large and extra large spaces. Traditionally, people have been using beamforming microphones where you have to be within that beam to get any sort of quality pickup. Nariva pioneered a virtual microphone technology, and that means that it floods the room with over 8,000 virtual microphones to pinpoint exactly where the speech is coming from. That frees you up to be anywhere in the room, facing any direction, and at any height. It's excellent for multiple speakers. It works really well in extra large spaces where we use a 2-bar system up to 180 square meters, or perhaps a divisible room where you're opening opening the wall and going from a single to a two-room scenario. A couple of quick things to know about Nariva. They have the ability to connect a microphone so that you can do speech reinforcement within the room. You can also output the audio to an assistive listening device or maybe to a larger PA system for a bigger room. Nariva bars have 20-watt speakers built in, so you've got all of your in-room audio covered, as well as your ability for large room audio. So it is Pro AV performance with an IT-friendly approach. So that's just a little short tour of the Madison AV stand at Integrate 2025. Thanks for watching, Mickey.